Q4 is an amazing time to make a lot of money if you sell on Amazon, and it's the perfect time. So right now, I'm telling you, if you haven't started, right now is the perfect time to actually start selling on Amazon, because it is pretty much sourcing is like on easy mode right now. So it's so easy to find profitable products. The sales volume is going to increase, so it's really hard to make a mistake with products, because products are not going to tank as much. There are still going to be a lot of products that are going to tank. If you're a beginner, you're probably going to make a lot of mistakes. But in today's video, what I wanted to talk about is I wanted to give you guys the truth about Q4, because there's a lot of things that a lot of gurus are not necessarily saying about Q4, right? So this is what we are going to talk about in today's video, because yes, you can make a lot of money, but if you're just a beginner, it's unlikely that you make a life-changing amount of money. And this is what we're going to talk about today. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, right here on YouTube, every single day, at least until the end of the year. I've been doing this for almost 2 years now. We'll see if we go beyond 2 years. So yeah, that's what we are going to do in today's video. I mean, this is who I am. Like, whatever, forget about that. So, as I was saying, Q4, as I said, Q4 is an amazing time to make a lot of money, but the main thing that you need to understand, and it is going to be true not only for Q4, but for every single seasonal opportunity, and this is something that I tell to a lot of people that I teach the business, the truth is that yes, you can absolutely make a ton of money. However, the thing that you need to understand is that you are setting the foundation for the next couple of years. These seasonal opportunities are great, but you need to understand one thing. One thing is really important for you to understand. It's that you are building the foundation, and these seasonal opportunities, there's going to be the same opportunities every single year. And if you can find something that is doing really great at a specific period of times, for example, I don't know, if you find a really good product for Christmas, then just know that, oh, for 4th of July, let's say that you find, one year you find an American flag that is doing, a listing for an American flag that is doing really good for Q4, for 4th of July. It's going to be a great product year after year, and you're going to be able to make a ton of money with that product year after year. And so this is why you need to understand that, you know, yes, you're going to be able to make a decent amount of money on your first year, but if you go too heavy, too deep on products that you haven't tested yet, you can make a lot of mistakes and lose a lot of money. But you need to understand that you are setting the foundation. This Q4, you are setting the foundation for you to be able to make a ton of money next year and the year after that and all the years that are going to come after that. And you're going to expand your strategy. But you need, this is the first thing that you need to understand. It's a long-term strategy. Selling on Amazon is something that you need to plan to do long-term. I'm going to make a ton of money this Q4 based on product that I found and tested last year and that I wish I bought way more. And I went super deep in these products this year, and I'm going to go even deeper. I'm loading up right now on these products this year. And these are products that I sold last year, that I found last year, right? The year before that was not that, I mean, it was Q4, it was good, but like I'm going to make like it's going to be 3 years. Not 3 years. Is it my second Q4 with No, it's my third Q4 with online arbitrage. And I'm only going to see crazy results with my arbitrage, with my online arbitrage business on Q4 this year, because I'm building on my strategy year after year, looking at what other people are selling, trying to build a strategy for every single seasonal event. And it's like the culmination. It's not yet the culmination, but like the money that I'm going to be able to make this Q4 is based on work that I've been doing during Q4 since 2 years ago, right? And this is the main thing that you need to understand. You are going to be able to make money, but this is not the end. You need to work for the long run. Like it's a marathon, right? The work that you are going to put in this year is going to be, yes, you're going to be able to make money this year, but like you're going to make the real money on that work next year and the year that are going to follow. Same thing with Halloween. Let's say you find crazy costumes that do crazy volume when Halloween comes, specific costumes that you can sell year after year. Or let's think about back to school. Let's say that you find backpacks that you can make a ton of money on during back to school. These backpacks, you're going to be able to sell them over and over again, year after year. There are specific backpacks for which it's the case. They sell super fast. You need to know these. That's it. And this is going to come from the work that you are going to do this year, that you did for back to school this year. Just know that next year you're going to be able to make a ton of money with it. And it's going to be the same with Q4. It's going to be the same with Halloween. It's going to be the same with Easter. It's going to be the same with 4th of July. It's going to be the same with all these opportunities. However, just know that a lot of stuff can actually change, okay? And it can happen. So if you go deep, it's not because something was proven last year that it is going to be proven that it is going to work as good this year, right? So we've seen this year with Crayola crayons for back to school. Apparently, and this is not something that I've sold myself, but apparently we've seen a lot of listing tanking. We've seen a lot of them. And the reason why is because it's something that everybody thought was going to do good. Everybody bought it. Price tanked. It's not because of that that it's going to be the same thing next year that is going to tank as well. But it's just so you guys understand. And this is something that you need to know. All right. So you need to remember one thing for this Q4. It is, yes, source, make money short term, but play the long game. All right. Play the long game. Remember, take notes on how everything is going. If you need to take a journal and take notes on what you're doing every single day, what you find, what seems good, what doesn't seem good. The truth is, even stuff that you find too late, if you find stuff too late, because it's not going to be Q4, like the seasonal opportunity is going to be over by the time you actually get the product and you send it FBA or you try to send it FBA. If you find it too late, create a spreadsheet with all the leads for that specific event so you can revisit it next year, right? The work that you're going to put this year, even when it's too late, check, do a lot of storefront stalking, see what people are selling. If you have great opportunities, look at those opportunities, right? Look at what people are selling. Check this out and add all this to a spreadsheet that you can revisit every single day, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like, do all that YouTube stuff. We have a lot of stuff coming on the channel, by the way. I'm working on a lot of stuff. You guys are going to like it. You'll see pretty soon. But there's going to be a lot of helpful stuff coming on really soon. There's still the coaching, by the way. Opening a new group probably, I don't know, probably by the end of Q4 because I'm going to have a lot of work. We'll see how it goes. If I can get groups that make sense, people like that are at the same level, we'll see. But yeah, this is where we are at right now. Hopefully you liked this video. I'll talk a little bit more about the projects that are coming. And yeah, I'll see you guys for a new video tomorrow. Okay, in the meantime, make sure to actually build spreadsheets to save all the leads that you find for Q4. Go ahead and make a lot of money. You can make a life-changing amount of money, but just know that it may not happen this year, but it's definitely going to happen next year with the work that you did, all right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.